Miko Infrastructure Private Limited Company, in which you can buy shiftable office cabin, security cabin, house, toilets, in very low price, and contact details in description, and you can visit our website www.mikoportacabins.com.
Hi, this is Hanif from Mako Infrastructure Private Limited. Mako Infrastructure Private Limited is a leading manufacturer of portable accommodation solutions like office cabin, portable home cabin, portable farmhouses, portable restaurant or modular home cabin, tiny homes or site office cabin, restaurant, coffee, cafe or shop cabin, portable toilet cabin, security cabin, whatever the cabins like prefabricated or modular or portables cabins, every solutions is here. So nowadays, why we needed like this portable cabins? Because we don't have sufficient time to construct that types of buildings or home cabin, office cabin, restaurant, cafe, shop cabin, portable home cabins, or security guard cabins. Another things like if will be construct like this means we can save lots of money, time, and then another advantage is that we can shift this cabin one place to another place. Like many more problems will be come with concrete general buildings. Like suppose that if we construct one buildings for shop purpose and there owners told that no, you can't stay here, you have to move, then that times we can't shift that home to one place to another place. But if I have a portable shop cabins or cafe, that's mean we can shift that cabin immediately also. That's why this is the best solutions for portable home cabin or office cabin or site office cabin or restaurant, whatever the prefabricated cabins. So we are dealing with every portable home cabin. So mainly I will be explain the how we are fabricating, what is the procedures, and what types of material, what types of tubes we are used for making the container homes. That's I will be explain. Any containers like farmhouse, restaurant, cottage, home cabin, or cafe, or portable toilet cabin, or security guard cabin, every cabin's mm, manufacturing process is first step will become like bottom. So cabin bottoms will be fabricated by the C channel, MS mild steels C channel, that 16 gauges, or sometimes we are using 18 gauges also, but mainly we are using 16 gauges as per the customer requirement. If customer required like 14 gauges, 12 gauges, whatever, like if many more customer required like we want in low budget, low cost, then we are giving as per the customer requirement. So bottom will be made of C channel, and then stiffener will become alternate, one C channel and then 150 tubes, and then stiffener bottoms will become like 80-40 tubes or 150 tubes, both will be used. Sometimes we are using 50-50 square tubes also as per the customer requirement and the quotations. So once the bottom will be completed, next step will be moved to the top. So for making fabrication of top, two methods are using, one for flat top, another one for two side slope top. For flat top, we are using 150 tubes, and then stiffener we are using 50-50 and 150 tubes. Next step, like I told, two types of top is we are fabricating. So next, if two side slope is having, that's mean we are using 50-50 tubes, or if another requirement like some customer demands, like no, we won't need 100 tubes, or whatever the customer requirement we are giving, but mainly we are do for two side slope 50-50 tubes, and then stiffener 25-25 tubes, and 50-25 tubes. So once the top will be completed, next step will become wall paneling. For wall paneling, we are using CR sheet. So CR sheet we are dealing with mainly, like in general quotations we are providing 16 gauges and 18 gauges. If customer needed like storage purpose or different types of purpose, means we are providing as per the customer requirement. Sometimes for here I will be add one more things, like for storage purpose, if customer requirement 210 capacity or 2.5 capacity or 310 capacity storage having, that's mean as per the customer demand we are fabricating according to the customer, like a top also, bottom frame will be also made as per the capacity. So here we are talking about the interior, outer side wall paneling. So outer side wall paneling, we are providing corrugated CR bending sheet. So that sheet, every sheet will be ISI mark will be provided, and 16 gauges and 18 gauges normal quotations, and if a customer required different things, means we are providing. Once the outer wall will be completed, then insides we are coming. For before coming to inside, first we are making, like where the window needed, or door needed, or exist fan needed, or somewhere partition needed for separate bed or separate office or separate cabin. So we are manufacturing like that. So partition is made of 40 tubes. So after completing that, we are giving the interior wall paneling, coming to the interior wall paneling. So interior wall paneling, first we are providing insulations, mostly because this is made of MS, mild steels, means heat conductor properties. That's why we have to do some insulations so that the temperature we can maintain. For heat maintenance, we are providing 25 glass wool, rock wool company. Or if customer needed, no, I have some customer area is very hottest area, so sometimes we are providing 50 or more than that also we are providing insulations. After the insulations, we are do concealed wiring, like where the wiring is needed, whatever the point is needed as per that customer requirement and design, we are providing concealed wiring. After that, interior wall paneling, MDF board will become. So MDF board, generally we are using green ply, so that thickness will be 8 mm thickness will become. So after interior wall paneling completing, we are using switch and socket, LED, tube light, fan, whatever the necessary is needed, 15 amp switch and socket or 5 amp switch and socket, as per the customer requirement or design we are providing. If somewhere kitchen is needed, we are providing kitchens. So kitchen is provided like a granite slab on MS frame, and then sink hook, or lower cabinet, upper cabinet, if customer demand having. Once this is completed, next step we are moving to outer cabin paintings. So outer cabin paintings is like 3 steps having. First we are do red oxide primer, and then 2 times enamel based painting, and paint color is given as per the customer choice. Whatever the customer choice, that color we are providing. Once the cabin color is also completed, and then finally we are going to the floor. So cabin bottom floor we are providing general quotations, we are providing like a first upward of MS frame, we are giving 18 mm cement board or B board, or someone called gypsum board also. After that, fitting the cement board 18 mm by tightening screw, self screw, by fastener screw, by fitting, then upward like some gap is there, then we are fill that gap with the help of metal paste, or and then grinding. After that, cleaning the floor, we are using vinyl mat. So once the vinyl mat is completed, then almost it's ready to lift and shift. For lifting and shifting, we are providing hooks. And here, one thinks also that for um, floor is making like vinyl mat. That is our general quotation. If customer required tiles or wooden flooring, then also we are providing. That's some additional cost. Whatever the cost will be coming, we are demanding with customers. Sometimes customer needed like inside the attached bathroom or pantry, that is also provided.